So I've just bought this tool off the internet. I'm not sure what you'd call it, maybe a spacer. These little ridges are to help you keep the size of your stitches all the same. So I assume it can be used running stitch and back stitch and maybe even blanket stitch. So we're just going to have a little go. It feels a little bit big to me to have this kind of thing on your hand while you're working, but we'll give it a go. I'm going to have it on my left thumb. Yeah, definitely feels a little bit big. I'm going to keep it near the end of the hoop, and we will try, first we'll try some running stitch, then we'll try some back stitch. Pull my thumb out a little bit because the thumb is getting in the way from me seeing where I need to stitch. It's not too bad. I've got the hoop in a stand. If I was trying to hold the hoop and have this on my thumb, it might be a bit much. Let's have a look. So they are pretty much the same size stitch and the same gap, so that is quite good. Let's see what back stitch looks like. It was only a couple of quid. I saw someone else using it. I thought, oh, that looks useful. But I don't know how useful it is actually. I think if you just practice, you can get really good consistency in the size of your stitches. I think it may also be slowing me down a little bit. Depends what you want to use it for. If you are making a gift or something to sell and you really do need that sort of perfect finish, then it might be useful. I've actually seen people just mark it on their thumbnail, which is probably easier. Just put a little bit of biro, the width of the stitch you want or the gaps that you want. And there we go. I must have pushed it a little bit forward because it's not a really straight line. And that was disguised because I was using this. So all in all, I'd say, nah, don't bother with this one. But I might try drawing on my thumb. We'll try that next time.